Alright, today we're going to unbox and eventually use my new Garmin GPS unit 66st. It includes topographical maps. Here's the box. It's got all the info on the back. Also going to be looking at a carrying case I got for it and a screen protector. Screen protector is important for me because you can see this is my existing GPS unit, Delorme PN-60. It's been a good worker for me. It's really done well, but as you see, the screen is cracked and the power button, this actually fell off at least over maybe a couple of years ago, and you can still use it. It's just kind of tricky to use, and I thought it was time to upgrade. So this has a bigger screen and more capabilities, so we'll be looking at those. Let's go ahead and open this up. So it comes with instructions. Quick start manual, safety instructions, and warranty probably. A bunch of different languages. And here's the unit. I like this unit because it has buttons on it, like my Delorme. So I find those easier to use than using a touch screen, especially when it's bright outside. It's got the belt clip attachment where you can attach, slide this onto different devices and hold on to it. It's got a lanyard ring, protective screen cover. Take that off. And it's got a charging cable. Goes into a standard USB connector, and then it's got a micro USB power. That's handy. Not sure where that goes in. It probably goes in under here. Yeah, so it goes in here. This is a semi-waterproof cover, water-resistant cover, let's call it. So that plugs in here. We can charge it up. I don't know if it comes with a charge. I'll have to find out. And then it's got this heavy-duty lanyard connector, which slides onto the connector on the back. So this slides onto this. Sure, probably this direction. Not this way. There. Acts as also as a belt clip. This is a nice carabiner. Hook it onto things. So that's pretty handy, nice and solid. Snaps in, it's not going to go anywhere. This also is how you mount it onto a bike mount, which I'm getting. I'll show you that later. It's got a nice antenna. The antenna on this one is up in this little bulge area up here. So, and it's got its connector on the back. These are exposed. Periodically I have to clean these because they get corrosion, and then the battery pack. This takes AA batteries, which are handy, so I won't be giving up that, but it's easy enough to carry a portable power supply. Doesn't work with this cable, so I'm not worried about that. Let's open up the case. So here's the case. It says it's supposed to fit this GPS unit. Let's see if that's true. It's got some padding on the inside. That's nice. And it fits in there nicely. So, and this has a belt loop. So that's a good investment to keep your screen safe. And the last thing is the screen protector. There's two of these in here, so I guess if one fails, you can replace it. So. Comes with the manual, tells you how to install it, and they're nicely protected inside this foam bag with some more foam. Each one has its own individual foam bag, so that's nice. Alright, so we'll be installing this and protecting our screen. Alright, after reading the manual, and now that I remember when I bought this, it does support AA batteries. One reason I got this instead of another kind, because it's always better to have, I think with this kind of device, have AA batteries. I like to use these Eneloop batteries. Nickel metal hydride, they're super reliable, they don't leak. And they go in this way. Snap in nicely. So this is, this little handle on the bottom here is for opening and closing the battery compartment. There we go. Now to turn it on, how do you turn it on? We'll figure that out. Let's take a look at the manual. Power button, which is, where's the power button? Oh, on top, okay. And there we go, starting up. Nice bright screen. It's inside, of course, so I'll have to try it outside. So this cable is just for communicating with the computer, although I think this has Bluetooth, so I'm hoping I can transfer GPS files using Bluetooth instead of using the... Alright, so we're going to try to find out where we are. This way it came from Taiwan. That's where it was made, I guess. Alright, so we'll let this find out where we are, and we'll take it from there. So now it's working. It's a really nice green, nice color screen, which goes into background, just like the other one. Alright, we're going to go ahead and apply our screen protector before we start using it. It seems like a good idea. So it comes with really clear instructions. You can follow those. First thing you want to do is clean the screen thoroughly. Now, it just came out of the package, so sure I really need to do this. Actually, I'm going to skip that. I just took the... Well, I did touch it. Okay, let's go ahead and clean it. So it comes with a wet cleaner and a wipe. So you can use this little sticker to remove dust if there's some on there. So we're going to do this. So I would recommend is, as soon as you take off the protective cover on your Garmin, go ahead and put the screen protector on there. So we're going to wipe this down. We're going to use the lens cleaning towel that comes with it to get all the oil off of there. Just check for reflections and make sure there's nothing going on. Then this is the screen protector, and it's got a back tab, and these are the front tabs. So you want to hold it on the edges. You want to carefully peel off the back tab. You don't want to touch this side, that's where the adhesive is. You carefully align it on here. Now, it's not a perfect fit. There's some space around the outside, which is kind of annoying. Not a perfect fit. That's interesting. There's a direction. I guess there's a direction. Yeah, of course there is. Alright, that's to go in a certain direction. Alright, good to know. I put it on backwards. Alright, upside down, let's say. Alright, so I'm going to press all these bubbles out. So the instructions show, they don't really show you. But it definitely has a direction. So this side is more square and this side is rounded. So you want to make sure you put the square side on the bottom. I didn't do that. That's why. That's why it didn't work perfectly. You should be able to press these bubbles out. Get them to the edge, hopefully, or else out altogether. So you might have to wait a day or two for the smaller bubbles to go away. Got the big one. Oh, it came back. Okay. See if the instructions said it's directional. Doesn't say. This is probably generic instructions, unfortunately, not for this particular brand. It looks like this brand, but... Alright, so you can see it's trying to find some satellites, so that's good. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Post a comment if you have any questions or ideas and I'll try to respond. That's all for now, but more videos are coming, and if you want to see them, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification icon if you don't want to miss one. This is Beta Cygni signing out, and keep looking up.